In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp. We'll build this integration using Make, a no-code automation platform. Start by opening your browser and going to make.com. Once you're in, create a new scenario. This opens a blank canvas where we'll add the apps and define how they talk to each other. On the canvas, click the plus icon and search for ClickUp. Select ClickUp from the list, then choose the trigger called Triggers when a specific task or subtask event happens. This means Make will listen for activity in ClickUp, like tasks being created or updated, and pass that data into the rest of the scenario. Next, choose Create a Webhook. A webhook is simply the connection point that lets ClickUp push updates to Make in real time. When you see the highlighted selector, click it to pick your ClickUp environment. Choose your workspace, then select My Workspace to scope the trigger. To make sure you don't miss anything, choose Select All for the events list. This tells the webhook to fire for any supported task or subtask event. Click Save to confirm your selections and then save again if you're prompted to finalize the webhook setup. After this, your ClickUp trigger is ready and waiting. With the trigger in place, it's time to add QuickBooks. Click the plus icon again, search for QuickBooks and select it. From the available actions, choose Create an Invoice. This will let the scenario generate invoices in QuickBooks based on the data that comes from ClickUp. Before you can use the action, you'll need to connect your QuickBooks account. Click Create a Connection. A secure window will open where you'll sign in and authorize Make to access your QuickBooks company. Follow the prompts, choose the correct company file if asked, and approve the permissions. When Make returns you to the module, click Create a Connection again if a confirmation prompt appears, ensuring the link to your QuickBooks company is fully established. At this point, the integration path is set. ClickUp events will trigger, and the QuickBooks module is ready to create invoices. As you configure the invoice fields later, a good approach is to map the task details from ClickUp, like the task name, assignee, or custom fields, to the corresponding invoice fields. Consistent naming in ClickUp and clear customer records in QuickBooks will make this easier and reduce errors. That's the workflow. You've created a scenario in Make, added a ClickUp trigger via a webhook, and connected QuickBooks with the Create an Invoice action. When you're ready, you can refine field mapping, add filters if you only want certain events, and then turn on the scenario to run automatically.